Today I'm going to show you how to do screen recording on your iPhone and your iPad for free. We're going to use native apps from your iPhone and your iPad, both using the same steps. On both your iPad and your iPhone, you're going to have an option in your control center for screen recording. And in order to do this, we need to enable the screen recording in your control center. To open this up, we're going to diagonal swipe from right top corner of your iPad or your iPhone. Then we're going to tap and hold on the bottom portion of the screen. We're going to click Add a Control. From there, you're going to tap Screen Recording. Then you're going to tap on the screen again to get out of your editing window. Then we're going to swipe up to close the screen. Now when you swipe down from your right top corner to open your control center, you're going to see that your screen recording option has been added. With your control center open, just tap on the screen recording option. And if you hold this, you can select whether the external microphone is on or off. By default, your microphone is on, which will record all the exterior sounds. If it's off, it will only record the sounds coming from your iPad or your iPhone. And you can see the red dot on the top of your device. This shows that you are recording the screen. Anything you do on your screen is going to be recorded and it will save it to your photos. You can play games. And if you have the microphone off, all the sound will be recorded as well. And tap the top to bring up your control center. And in your control center, you're going to tap the screen recording to stop it. And go to your photos, and your video is right there in Photos. You can do anything with it that you want. And that's all there is to it. That's how you record your screen for your iPad or your iPhone using onboard apps already installed on your device. Take care, have a great day, and I will see you next week.